I'm sick, guys. I don't know what happened yesterday. Like, I was feeling okay, and then all of a sudden, also my car's in the shop. They I don't know if I mentioned that they scratched the door, so I had to take it back in for them to fix that. But yeah, I haven't really. It's hard for me to even get on here and edit. Like, I just don't feel good. I think it's just a cold, but it's the first day of it really hitting me. I don't know how I got sick. I should have my car back tomorrow. I'm excited. Like, I haven't gotten to do much driving lately because my car being in the shop, and now I'm sick. I'm just like, dude, I want to get out there and make some money. How about this lens though, right? Yeah, I wanted to show you guys my new lens. Love you guys. Check it out.
Dude, I got a new lens. I'm so excited. So, because I have this GoPro mount, have this little adapter, and I can put my big Sony camera up on the windshield. Problem is, I don't have a wide angle lens like the dash cam is. All my lenses, they're basically getting the back seat if I mount it to the windshield. I'm not even in the shot. So I got a 7.5mm lens by Artisans lens. This thing was $140. I'm tripping. So as soon as I saw the price, I was like, dude, I'm just gonna order it. So it's manual focus. The dash cam's not autofocus either. Like, it's just stationary focus. So I'm sure there's a setting that I can get this thing on where it'll be stationary focus and everything will look in focus. Also, it's an f2.8 lens on the aperture. It should be good low light. You want to see what this lens looks like? Oh, this thing's heavy. Wow. It's small. Boom, look at that. Look at that. Thing looks crazy. All metal. Even the cap is metal. Let's see. Watch what happens when you open and close the aperture. Can you see it? Let's see what happens when I put this thing on. Wow. This is where I was sitting before. Even the microphone's in the shot. What's that, Lenny? Let's see what the fisheye is.
How'd you do this?
Yeah, it doesn't really show me what the ISO is when I'm just recording, but it must be cranking up pretty high. Wide angle?
Huh?
Wide angle lens?
What?
It's a wide angle lens. So look at my dad's garage with this lens. This is what it's gonna look like when it's sunset. Sunset lighting right here. Get this thing it'll be mounted like that. Next to the wind, right next to the, probably point it down more. Like that. See what the light is like. Little test video. Sunset. Woo. That is beautiful.